The employment situation is serious due to coronavirus epidemic. Moreover, with the spread of the coronavirus variants, you may not go out to find a job at will. So how to make a living? Let's learn how to trade online and earn pocket money without leaving home. Firstly, let's learn trading basics together. What is trading and why do we need it? This is the first question. The main purpose of trading is to make a profit on trading assets. It can be money, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, etc. For example, you open an XAU-USD position at the price of $25 and close it at the price of $30. And finally, you earn money. How to trade successfully? To predict the future market value of assets and make money on it, traders use different strategies. One of the possible strategies is to work with news. As a rule, it is chosen by beginners. Advanced traders take into account many factors, use indicators, know how to predict the trends. However, even professionals have losing trades. Fear, uncertainty, lack of patience, or the desire to earn more bring losses even to experienced traders. Simple rules of risk management help to keep emotions under control. And then we're gonna talk about assets. What are assets? Assets in the trading world are a commodity. These include money, securities, raw materials, indices, and digital currencies. There are 5 main types of assets: currency pairs, stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. The main trader's goal is not to buy a commodity but to make a profit due to the difference between the purchase price and the sale price. So you can earn when the value of the asset rises and when it falls. Next, I'll introduce major assets in details for you. Next, we're gonna talk about currency pairs, which is a type of asset. Currency pairs are the price ratio of the currency of 2 countries. This ratio shows how many monetary units of one currency are worth a unit of another currency. You should analyze the market trend and market volatility, and then decide to buy or sell to earn the difference. Mainstream currency pairs in forex trading contains the US dollar such as EUR-USD, GBP-USD, and AUD-USD. That is to say, the fluctuation of the US dollar affects the trend of many currency pairs. The focus can be on the US Fed monetary policies, the federal fund rate, and long-term debt, which affect the trend of the US dollar. Then we're going to talk about another important asset, which is shares and indexes. Features of trading stocks and indices are similar. Shares are securities that give the owner the right to receive dividends and a part of the company's property if the company is sold. And the indices reflect the state of the securities market. Simply put, an index is the comprehensive ups and downs of some shares. At present, the most influential indexes worldwide include Shanghai Composite Index, Nasdaq Index, Dow Jones Index, Nikkei Index, UK FTSE, etc. Compared to currency pairs, stocks and indices have less risk due to lower rates of volatility. They are better suited for longer-term trades and long-term investments. Then we're going to talk about the 4th type of asset, which is commodities. Commodities include oil, gas, and metals. As a rule, commodities show high volatility and give a large number of signals for intraday trades. Our focus today is on oil. Oil exists in every aspect of life. We use oil to refine gasoline, make plastic, and make clothes, pharmaceuticals, etc. The international oil price fluctuated in 2002 when the oil price rose by more than 400% at its peak. It was a sudden realization of many people's dreams of getting rich overnight. In recent years, more and more short-term investors shift their focus on crude oil investments. So when should we open positions? When should we close positions? And what affect oil prices? If you want to know more about crude oil, you can leave your words below the video. Based on your words, we may publish a special video in the future to discuss the history of crude oil and how to grasp the right investment opportunity. Cryptocurrencies is also a very important type of asset. Crypto assets are digital financial instruments including BTC, ETH, and RPC. They remain the most unpredictable and are high-risk assets. Bitcoin had skyrocketed by 2.73 million times from 2009 to 2017, reaching a maximum of $20,000 per Bitcoin. And countless people got rich by investing in Bitcoin. There is a boy named Eric Feynman, the most famous one. He used all his money, which is $1,000 to buy Bitcoin when he was 12 years old, and he became a millionaire without making any effort when he was 18 years old, because Bitcoin had skyrocketed in 6 years. This seemingly impossible thing was done by a 12-year-old boy. Why can he get succeeded? Timing. Because he seized the best opportunity to buy Bitcoin that was just starting out. Now that Bitcoin is making a comeback and various cryptocurrencies are emerging, how should we choose? Join X-Trend Speed, become a master trader from novice, and make big money easily.